In September 1947, Junagadh, which was located in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat, announced its decision to accede to Pakistan, even though it had a Hindu majority. Sardar Patel was then the Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India, and he was determined to bring Junagadh into the Indian Union. He first sent a letter to the Nawab of Junagadh, urging him to reconsider his decision and to accede to India, but the Nawab rejected his request. Undeterred, Sardar Patel then initiated the process of integrating Junagadh into India. He ordered the Indian army to move into the territory, and he sent a letter to the people of Junagadh asking them to overthrow their Nawab and to join India. The people of Junagadh responded positively to Sardar Patel's call, and they organized a referendum in which an overwhelming majority voted in favor of joining India. Junagadh was then integrated into India on 9 November 1947. This incident demonstrated Sardar Patel's determination to uphold the unity and integrity of India, and it also showcased his ability to use diplomacy and military force when necessary to achieve his goals.